What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 RTR. Today we're installing a custom-made fuse box panel cover. All right, guys, so we got ourselves a custom little mod here that we're getting ready for the big show coming up. So I went on custompony1.com. He makes the custom strut tower caps, but I wound up going a little different route, and I got a custom fuse box panel cover because I think we can all admit there is nothing too sexy about this setup. It's pretty ugly. I'd say it's a eyesore. So we got ourselves a custom cover for it. Bam! Look at this puppy. You can see, here you go, there's the color. So we went with the Ready to Rock, and he did it in a metallic purple. So it kind of matches some of the colors of the Mustang and goes with the purple theme that is under the hood. So it's a really nice piece. It's made very nice, as you can see. Here, it is not some cheap little poor made quality 3D printed piece. It looks really, really nice. I don't see any imperfections, and this is all painted, so you can get whatever colors you want. He customizes it however you want, and you can see this is actually painted and done really nice, painted and clear coated. So it also comes with the necessary Velcro strips that you'll need. It's going to stick right on top of our existing fuse box panel, and that's it. So let's get it installed. All right, guys, so I took the cover off to test fit it. And you can see there's a little bit of a catch here because I want it to lay nice and flat. So it's rubbing here on these two clip areas. So I filed down this one, and you can see now it just has enough wiggle room. So we're going to file this one down just a little bit, and it should get us where we need to be. Once you test fitted it and it's good, take this off. Just get some isopropyl. Clean right here. Clean right here. Make sure you don't have any of your finger grease on there so that the adhesive will stick. Peel these back. All right, guys, and there you have it. She is on. She fits nice, and it looks great. Definitely add something under the hood and gets rid of that lame stock fuse box panel cover. And it just kind of ties everything in, and it looks really good with the strut tower caps I have there, as well as the master cylinder cover, which I'll drop the video link right there. I had done that last month, as well as now our open air boxes and our graphics here on the intake tube and the radiator cover. It's just tying everything in nice with the blue and purple Mustang theme. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely check out his website. I'm not affiliated with him. I paid full price. I don't get a discount. But overall, a pretty neat product. And he does make the strut tower caps as well if you want something custom. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And thanks for checking out the build. And check out more videos of my Mustang RTR and Mustang Cobra.